In today's fast-paced world, where financial landscapes are constantly shifting and economic uncertainty can feel like the only certainty, mastering your personal finances has never been more critical. Did you know that, as of the latest data, nearly 32% of Americans would struggle to cover a $400 emergency expense without borrowing money or selling something? This startling statistic underscores the fragile financial footing on which many of us stand. But here's the good news. By adopting a few simple yet powerful habits, you can significantly enhance your financial stability and growth. Imagine the peace of mind that comes from knowing you have a solid savings buffer the next time life throws you a curveball, or the satisfaction of watching your investments grow knowing you're paving the way to a comfortable retirement. It's not just about making more money, it's about making smarter decisions with the money you have. Take, for example, Sarah, a high school teacher who, despite her modest income, managed to save enough for a down payment on her first home. How? She made a habit of automatically transferring a small portion of her paycheck into a savings account. It's these small, consistent actions that can lead to significant financial milestones. This video is your personal finance guide speaking directly to you. We'll explore habits that are not just theoretical best practices, but practical, actionable strategies tailored to help you navigate your financial journey. Whether you're looking to build your savings, invest wisely, or just spend more mindfully, we've got insights and tips designed to elevate your understanding and engagement with personal finance. Let's embark on this journey together towards a future where financial worries are a thing of the past and financial freedom is within your grasp. Habit 1. Automated savings. In the realm of personal finance, out of sight, out of mind can be a golden strategy, especially when it comes to saving money. A Federal Reserve report revealed that a significant number of Americans aren't saving adequately for emergencies or retirement. This is where the power of automated savings comes into play, turning a daunting task into a seamless part of your financial routine. Imagine this. Every payday, before you even have a chance to think about spending, a portion of your earnings magically disappears into a savings account. This isn't a trick or a gimmick. It's the simple, yet effective practice of automated savings. It's like having a diligent financial guardian angel who's always looking out for your future self. Consider the story of Mike, a graphic designer who always found it hard to save. By setting up an automatic transfer, he was pleasantly surprised to see his savings account grow to $1,000 in just a few months without lifting a finger. This approach can help you too, whether you're saving for a rainy day fund, a dream vacation, or your child's education. The beauty of automated savings lies in its simplicity and effectiveness. You decide how much you want to save and how often, and technology takes care of the rest. It's a set-it-and-forget-it method that ensures you're consistently building your savings, leveraging the latest in banking technology to secure your financial future. By integrating automated savings into your life, you're not just saving money, you're building a cushion that can protect you from unexpected expenses and help you achieve your financial goals. It's a small step that can lead to big financial wins, proving that sometimes the best way to save money is to make it an automatic part of your life. Habit 2. Budgeting regularly. Imagine navigating a city without a map or GPS. That's what spending without a budget can feel like. Confusing and potentially full of wrong turns. Yet a shocking number of people venture into their financial journey without this crucial tool. According to a recent survey conducted by NerdWallet, around 74% of Americans have a monthly budget. This isn't just a missed opportunity, it's a roadblock to achieving financial freedom. Budgeting regularly isn't about restricting yourself, it's about empowering yourself. It's the financial equivalent of a fitness tracker, providing real-time feedback and helping you stay on course towards your financial goals. Take the case of Lisa, a nurse who, after starting to budget, discovered she was spending an astonishing $300 a month on coffee and lunches out. By adjusting her spending habits, she redirected those funds towards paying off debt and saving for a well-deserved vacation. Modern tools and apps have transformed budgeting from a tedious task into a seamless part of daily life. These digital allies can categorize your spending, track your goals, and even alert you when you're veering off course. It's like having a personal financial advisor in your pocket, one that's available 24/7. Regular budgeting shines a light on your financial habits, revealing both the good and the bad. It's about making informed choices with your money, whether that's cutting back on non-essentials saving for future dreams, or investing in your well-being. By adopting this habit, you're not just managing your money, you're ensuring that every dollar works towards building the life you desire. Habit 3. Investing wisely. In the current financial climate where savings accounts often offer interest rates that barely keep pace with inflation, simply saving money is no longer enough. A recent study showed that over the last decade, the average stock market return was about 9% per year, significantly outpacing traditional savings options. This highlights an essential truth. Investing isn't just for the wealthy, it's a vital tool for anyone looking to grow their wealth over time. Consider the story of Alex, a schoolteacher who, with a modest salary, decided to start investing a small portion of her income each month. By choosing diversified low-cost index funds, she watched her investment grow substantially, providing her with a nest egg that she never thought possible on her salary. This real-life scenario illustrates that with the right strategy, investing can be an accessible and powerful way to secure your financial future. Investing wisely means understanding your options, assessing your risk tolerance, and setting long-term goals. It's not about chasing quick profits through speculative investments, but rather building a portfolio that grows steadily over time. With the advent of robo-advisors and online platforms, getting started has never been easier or more affordable. These tools can help demystify the investing process, offering personalized advice and automatic rebalancing to keep your investments aligned with your goals. By making informed, thoughtful investment choices, you're not just saving for the future, you're actively building it. Whether you're aiming for retirement, a down payment on a home, or financial independence, wise investing is a crucial step on the path to achieving your dreams. Habit 4. Continuous learning. In a world where financial trends and markets can shift overnight, staying informed is not just beneficial, it's essential. A recent survey found that individuals who actively seek financial education are more likely to save, invest, and feel confident about their financial future. This isn't just about knowing which stocks to pick or understanding the intricacies of real estate investments. It's about building a foundation that supports every financial decision you make. Take Jenna, for example, a digital marketer who decided to dedicate just 1 hour a week to enhancing her financial literacy. Through podcasts during her morning runs, audiobooks on her commute, and curated articles in the evening, she transformed her understanding of personal finance. This commitment allowed her to confidently navigate her 401k, choose insurance plans, and even start a side business. Jenna's story illustrates that learning about finance doesn't have to be daunting or time-consuming. It can be seamlessly integrated into your everyday life. Continuous learning in finance also means staying updated with global economic trends and understanding how they affect you. Whether it's the impact of interest rates on your mortgage or how inflation could affect your savings, knowledge is power. And with the wealth of information available online, from educational websites to financial news platforms, keeping informed has never been easier. By embracing the habit of continuous learning, you're not just preparing yourself for the financial challenges of today, you're equipping yourself with the knowledge to seize the opportunities of tomorrow. It's a commitment to your financial well-being that can pay dividends in confidence, competence, and ultimately, in your bank account. Habit 5. Seeking additional income streams. In an era where the gig economy is booming and technology has opened up countless avenues for earning, diversifying your income streams has become more than just a wise financial strategy. It's a necessity for financial resilience. A recent report highlighted that over a third of Americans are now engaged in some form of freelance or side hustle work, underscoring the growing recognition of its importance in achieving financial security. Consider the story of Ethan, an elementary school teacher who turned his passion for woodworking into a lucrative side business. By selling his handmade furniture online, Ethan not only fueled his creative passions but also significantly boosted his income, allowing him to pay off debt and save for his future. Ethan's experience demonstrates that your skills and hobbies can become viable sources of extra income, contributing to your financial well-being. The beauty of seeking additional income streams today is the variety of options available. Whether it's freelancing in your professional field, starting an online store, or investing in rental properties, the potential to generate extra income has never been more accessible. These endeavors not only provide financial benefits but also offer the opportunity to explore new interests and develop skills that could be invaluable in your primary career or future ventures. Embracing the habit of seeking additional income streams encourages a proactive approach to your finances. It's about taking control, leveraging your abilities, and making your money work harder for you. In today's dynamic economic landscape, cultivating multiple income sources isn't just smart. It's essential for building a secure and prosperous financial future. Habit 6. Mindful spending. In a world saturated with instant gratification and consumerism, mindful spending emerges not just as a habit but as a lifestyle choice that can dramatically transform your financial landscape. A recent study found that the average American spends approximately $1,497 per month on non-essential items, highlighting a significant opportunity for financial improvement through more intentional spending decisions. Take, for instance, the journey of Clara, a software developer, who noticed her monthly expenses were spiraling out of control. By adopting a mindful spending approach, Clara began to evaluate each purchase based on its value to her life and long-term goals. She started by canceling unused subscriptions and opting for home-cooked meals over dining out. These changes didn't mean sacrificing her quality of life. Instead, they redirected her spending towards more fulfilling experiences and savings for a dream vacation. Clara's story illustrates that mindful spending isn't about deprivation. It's about making choices that align with your priorities and values. Mindful spending encourages us to pause and reflect before making a purchase, asking ourselves whether this expenditure will bring us closer to our financial objectives. It's about recognizing the difference between wants and needs and understanding the impact of our spending habits on our financial health. This habit doesn't require a radical lifestyle overhaul, but rather small, consistent adjustments that, over time, can lead to significant financial freedom and satisfaction. By embracing mindful spending, you're not just saving money. You're investing in a financially sustainable future that prioritizes your well-being and happiness. It's a conscious decision to take control of your finances, one purchase at a time, paving the way for a richer, more intentional life. Now, if you want to learn how to achieve financial success, then watch this video next. And if you made it to this point of the video, please like and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.